Guys, welcome to IamAgainHere.com. So in today's video, I am going to show you that how you can get 20% discount on Bookboard. Now, as we know that Bookboard is one of the most popular KDP software that helps you to grow your online KDP business. It provides you tons of resources which you can utilize to grow your business, save your time, and skyrocket your KDP business. Now, in this video, I am going.
Make sure to subscribe IamAgainHere.com and click on the bell icon also, so you will receive discounts, coupons, and deals videos on time.
Now, friends, if you come to the Bookboard website, you can see you are getting product and database and trend hunter. I will show you inside it the most powerful keyword research tool, listing optimization, and more. Also, if you want to know that how you can use their Chrome listening extension, I already made a video and you can see video here. Simply click on the video and watch that video that how you can use their Chrome extension. And if you come down, you can see that you are also getting in their book design section, you are getting cover creator, interior designer, 1200 plus free fonts, more than 1 million royalty free images for your KDP books, and you are getting pattern, scalable design, filter, and much more. You are also getting puzzle books, activity books, coloring books, and 100% of hundreds of low content interiors in this. Now, if we talk about the pricing plan of Bookboard, you can see that it comes with two different methods like monthly or yearly. If you talk about monthly, you need to pay $9.99 per month, but after applying my discount code, you can get up to 20% off. How you can get discount code, I will tell you. And in this plan, you are getting 3-day free trial, keyword research, product research, cover, interior designer, Amazon search volume, KDP spy, and 24/7 customer support. Similarly, if you talk about this one, you are getting more features here. And if you talk about yearly, you can get yearly newbie for $89.99, in which you are getting all these features, and yearly pro, you are getting all of these features. But don't worry about these prices. I will tell you how you can get discount up to 20% off. Now friends, I hope you understand that how much Bookboard is useful. If we talk about the inside, as you can see, you are getting product, seller, cloud, book scout, favorite, keyword research, KDP categories, KDP spy, and more. And if you click here, you can see that you can get KDP spy, KDP Bookboard listener. I already made a video about it, you can check it out here. And bold mask cover converter and puzzle viz. Puzzle wizard is another awesome puzzle creation tool. You can check out video on my channel. Now let's talk about how you can get discount code. Simply go to Google and type Bookboard discount and type discount code and type IamAgainHere.com. Hit the enter button and you can see that Bookboard coupon code 2021. Simply you need to click here. After that, come down and you can see coupon code here. Click on it and click on go to the deal. This is how you can get Bookboard coupon code in 2021. So don't waste your time, buy this, grow your journey. Also, you can find the link in the description of this video or in the comment section of this video. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next.